In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize iPhone home screen widgets. We will walk through adding, changing, and removing widgets so your home screen shows exactly what you care about. Start on your iPhone home screen. Touch and hold an empty area until all the apps start to jiggle and you see minus buttons on the icons. This is Edit mode. Now tap Edit, then tap Add Widget. A panel slides up from the bottom showing suggested widgets at the top and a list of apps below. Scroll through and find the app you want, like weather, calendar, photos, batteries, clock, or reminders. Each app shows a preview so you can see what its widgets look like before you add them. From there, swipe sideways on that preview area to move through the available widget sizes. You might see a small square, a wider rectangle, or a large block with more details. As you swipe, the preview updates so you can compare how much information each size shows. When you see the size you like, tap Add Widget. The widget appears on your home screen in jiggle mode. Drag it where you want it, above or below your existing apps or other widgets. When you are happy with the position, tap Done in the corner. You will see the app stop jiggling, which confirms the widget placement is saved. Now let us adjust what a widget displays. Some widgets can show different data without adding a new one. Touch and hold the widget you want to change until a small menu appears. Then tap Edit Widget. A configuration panel opens right on the home screen. Here you can choose from the options that widget supports, for example, a different city and weather or a different list and reminders. Many beginners forget that these choices are specific to each widget, not the whole app. When you have picked what you want, tap anywhere outside the widget. The panel closes and the widget refreshes with the new information right away. Next up, let us look at widget sizes in a bit more detail. When you are adding a widget, swipe through its available layouts before you tap Add Widget. Some apps only offer a small layout, while others also have medium or large ones, depending on what the app supports. Small widgets take less space but show fewer details, while larger layouts usually add extra lines, controls, or images on the screen. After that, you can create a widget stack to save space. Touch and hold the home screen again until everything jiggles. Now drag one widget directly on top of another widget of the same size. When they combine, you will see them merge into a single frame. Tap Done to exit edit mode. You can now swipe up or down on the stack to switch between the widgets inside it. You can stack up to 10 widgets, which lets you keep many tools in one place without crowding your home screen. Finally, to remove a widget, touch and hold the widget you no longer need. In the menu that appears, choose Remove Widget, then tap Remove to confirm. The widget disappears from the home screen, but the app itself stays installed. You have now learned how to add, customize, stack, and remove iPhone home screen widgets so your screen shows the info you need most. If this helped you get your widgets looking the way you like, give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple iPhone tips.